Welcome back to Underway Drifting and Dreaming. I'm Jennifer, my husband Jim, and I are traveling on our 48-foot Kadey Krogen Whaleback, the motor vessel Cetus. We completed the America's Great Loop, and the adventure continues up the rivers to northern Alabama. Here's our Anchorage, next to downtown Sarasota. Gorgeous, gorgeous sunrise. Our buddy boat grabbed a mooring ball right out in front of the Marina. So join us as we cruise up the west coast of Florida to Tarpon Springs, and while we wait for a weather window to cross the Gulf. Come along and enjoy the ride through the ICW, out the Tampa Bay, and into the Gulf. We are underway early. Here you can see our buddy boat, the Celine. They're disconnecting from the mooring ball. We have a very long day ahead. So we're going to go across the Sarasota Bay here and continue on the ICW. Look at the beautiful Sarasota Bridge here. Gorgeous. We have 2 bridges to go under, so we have to time those correctly and keep on going. There she goes. Sweet. Made it to the Tampa Bay. We're going to make a left and head out to sea. Alright, I've been spending some time securing the boat. Went downstairs, closed all the windows, made sure all the cabinet locks are on. Make sure nothing is going to fall. We're getting ready to exit the Tampa Bay. There's a big ship ready to come in. Got about a 1-foot wave-driven swell. You can hear the wind. Let's see what the wind's blowing at right now. What's the wind up there?
325 magnetic, so
Northwest to 18 knots. So we're heading out, and then we'll follow the coast up to Tarpon Springs, ETA. Nampa dock right now is 6 p.m. and that will change based on tide. Oh, I can hear myself talk now. I don't have to raise my voice. So goodbye Tampa Bay, the Sunshine Bridge. Our buddy boat, 48-foot Celine. Look at her traveling through the small chop. The winds are improving and turning out to be a beautiful day offshore. Alright, I got the boat for the next few hours while Jim takes a nap. It's not too sporty out here, but we're moving. Winds are staying steady, about 18.5 knots. Offshore, clear water. Heading north. We left this morning at 7:30 this morning out of Sarasota. We headed up the ICW, went across Tampa Bay, and came out offshore. It's been a beautiful day. We are now heading into Tarpon Springs. We should hit the dock about 6 o'clock. I've been busy tidying up the boat, just taking care of the garbage and the dishes. As you can see, it's been a lovely day offshore. Celine is behind us. Alright, we are tied up at Port Tarpon Marina after 4 days of heavy underway hours. It's just nice to be at the dock. I was watching the dolphins swim as we're coming down the channel into Tarpon Springs. So the sponge docks are just down here around the corner. We can either take an Uber. We went starboard side too, so both of us can drop our tenders over and go down to the dinghy docks, which is probably a great idea. I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started. And Jim is busy spraying all the salt spray down and the mud off the boat. We have a manatee going by. I see his, oh, there he goes. You can't see them, but you can see the movement under the water. The easiest way to get to the downtown area, the sponge docks, we jumped in the tender and took a ride. We ate a few nights at Rusty Belly's, and we had many lunches of heroes, and we found our new favorite, which is Nutella baklava. Oh my goodness, it was wonderful. So we had a great walk with friends and dinner. It's just amazing to visit the Sponge Dock area, and there's also the downtown that you can ride your bike to. It's the Firefly. We were with them in Demopolis, and they gave us the magazine to come here to Tarpon Springs. How cool is that? Check out their boat. Good morning. I'm waiting for my coffee to be ready. We are in Tarpon Springs, Florida. We've dropped the dinghy and looking down the river to the Gulf. We got about, I guess the sponge docks are about a mile to the southeast. And it has all the authentic Greek food, which we jumped on that and had heroes and Greek salads and a great meal. We went out with the boat we're traveling with, the Salade. There's an osprey that's making all the noise. There's ospreys, eagles. We've seen manatees and dolphins. The dolphins were eating. It was the coolest thing. The bikes are out on the dock, and we are at Port Tarpon Marina on the T-head, so we have the best place here watching the river, watching boats go by. I spy a pirate. Arr. I'm up here kayaking, looking for manatees. Two big ospreys are up in the tree. Jim and I are getting ready to pack up and depart Tarpon Springs. It looks like we're going to have a good weather window tomorrow, so we'll have to wait and see. But boy, I had a great time in Tarpon Springs. We used the dinghy and went down to the sponge docks in Tarpon. We had wonderful meals at Rusty Belly's. We took our bikes out. Mine is the Lilac there. Jim's bike's a little bit bigger. And then Jim helped me get the kayak down. We put it here on the dock and then into the water, and I climbed in off the swim platform. Jim held the line and sat right down and went off for a 90 to 2 hour kayak ride. It was great. I went out and searching manatees. I saw a lot of seabirds, beautiful homes, and on the way back, a lot of, I'm not sure if they were skates or rays, but what a great time. All right, what I've been waiting for.
Lunch with me?
Lunch with you? Yes, most definitely. We really enjoyed our time on the water in Tarpon Springs. Here's a stunning shrimp boat that delivers shrimp to the Rusty Belly's restaurant. Everything was fresh there. If you're in Tarpon Springs, check out Rusty Belly's and all of the other great restaurants in the Sponge Dock and downtown area. Thanks for riding along with us. Check in the next video to see if we made it across to the Florida Panhandle. It should be about a 25-hour trek across the Gulf. We want to thank you for watching. Keep on watching. We'll be making more. Remember to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click like.